way to the Hoover Dam. We're almost there.
We didn't make it yesterday. It takes 7 hours to go from Phoenix to Vegas. Who knew?
It was a long trip, but we stopped quite a bit. It was nice. We took our time.
Tell me what you want to do now.
Yesterday was the what was the name of the forest?
Joshua.
Forest. Anyway, Hoover Dam.
Tonight. Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me, love me.
You don't drive. You used to have to drive over the bridge. You've never been down here. You drove over the dam. Not anymore. There's a bridge right there.
Love me, love me. Tell me what you wanna do now. Get close to me.
Okay, Hoover Dam. Gonna show you right here. It's kind of cool. Oh,
That's
yeah.
Lake Mead.
Lake Mead, and the water level is low.
Love me, love me, love me, love me, love me.
Okay, what do you think? Would you jump? No. That's a little ways down there. Arizona on that side. Nevada on this side. Nevada time. We're going the other side. That's right, you're on the border.
Love me, love me, love me, love me.
Alright, well, the water gets too full over there. There's a chute, overflow part over here, and then it goes down the tunnel, goes around. Goes around the dam. Probably where they rerouted the river in the first place. Routed.
Love me, love me.
Alright, and here's the other side. The dam. Tour bus behind us.
Love me, love me. Tell me what you wanna do now. Get close to me. Feel the rhythm. Move your body tonight.